Hello respectable audience, I have a question. Minus 8 plus 8 times 2 divided by 4. Minus 8 plus 8 will be equal to 0 times 2 divided by 4. 0 times 2, it will be equal to 0 divided by 4. Now 0 divided by 4, 0 by any number will be equal to 0, so 0 will be our answer, but it is wrong. Now I will solve it again, and I have to make two parentheses. The first parenthesis have minus 8 plus 8 times 2, and here is division by 4. Now don't minus 8 plus 8 will be solved first, because it is not according to order of operation. So first of all, we have to multiply 8 times 2. So we will get minus 8 plus 8 times 2, it will be equal to 16 divided by 4. Now it has become very simple. Minus 8 plus 16 is same as that of 16 minus 8. So we will get 8 divided by 4. Now 8 divided by 4 will be equal to 2. Hence 2 will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.